Okay. Good day. One more time. Good day, everyone. We are here with another mini laptop. It is called e-machines. E-machines is just dead. It's just dead. That's according to the clients. So we don't know what exactly the problem is. It does not even come with the power pack. Maybe we have to just improvise with our what's it called, the power supply to get it powered, get it troubleshooted, and eventually get it powered. So maybe probably later we'll find a power pack for it. So we are going to be checking it. It's a mini laptop. So we'll check what the problem is. It's not powering up at all. So to do that, we need to lose the system. We need to remove the battery. We'll come back later and continue with the troubleshooting. Now, I initially told us we will come back and open the system after we must have opened the system. But I chose not to open the system. I decided to use a power pack. Actually, the system didn't come with a power pack, and I had to improvise and look for one that can fit in. You can see that I actually got an adapter for one I have, just to ensure I'm able to test it. Let's check the power, the value of the voltage. If the power pack has some voltage, can you see the multimeter? I think the multimeter, okay, that's 19.6. All right, so let us check if this works with the board. All right, so all right, system is on. System is on. See, this is what I actually decided to avoid. I wouldn't want to waste too much time on a system that I'm not sure what the problem is. So that was why we had to start the confirmation of the status of the system properly before opening. If I had opened the system before checking all of these things and we discover nothing is wrong with the board, it will be very painful that we have wasted too much time. So I wouldn't want to be in that position, to be regretting wasting time. And that was why I had to engage the power pack, look for power pack by all means, and get the board tested. And I discovered that what the problem was a flat battery, and the owner didn't have a charger to charge, and as such the system refused to come on. So nothing had gone wrong with the system. The system is just not coming on because it has a flat battery. And now that we are able to get a power pack that could charge the battery, then we were able to resolve that problem. So the system is on. System is on, as you can see. It's on. The power pack went off. The connection to the power pack went. That's why the system is off now. And then it should be back on now. It's back on. System is on. So if you like our video, if this video is good for you, like for you to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and then also comments, and see you in the next video. Thank you.